trying to do it right. I've been living a lonely life. I've been sleeping here instead. I've been sleeping in my bed, sleeping in my bed. So show me family, all the blood that I will bleed. I don't know where I belong, I don't know where I went wrong. I can write a song. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I don't think you're right for him. Think of what it might have been if you took a bus to Chinatown. I'd be standing on Canal and Bowery, and he'd be standing next to me. Oh, I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I belong with you.
Do you promise to be her equal partner in a loving, honest relationship through whatever life will bring you? Do you promise to be his equal partner in a loving, honest relationship through whatever life will bring you?
I do.
By the power vested in me through God, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your brother.
Belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I belong with you.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the very first time I introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Tyler and Megan Houts.
In the beginning, I never thought it would be you. When we were young, smiling in the photo booth.
Tyler, please take care of my big sister. She deserves the world. I am happy that she decided to spend the rest of her life with you.
And as the Spice Girls